Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is beet salad or Moroccan Mediterranean beet salad. It's very nutritious, delicious, and the beets, as everybody know, are very rich in iron. Is really good for health. It's not that much ingredients. We need chopped onion and one tomatoes that is cut also in two pieces, and here is parsley, chopped parsley, and they have beets. You can use the canned beets, but this ones they were fresh beets. I boiled them until they become soft, then I peel the skin and I cut them like that. Now I drain all the water and cut the beets into pieces. It's up to you. You can use the canned beets, but the fresh ones like that taste way better than the canned one. Now we get a big bowl or mixing bowl, and we put our beets right there, chopped onions. We put all the ingredients together there. Before that we add our vinaigrette or salad dressing. We add the tomatoes too, and the chopped parsley. That's a fresh parsley. It's two big tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. And for the vinaigrette, we use the black pepper to taste, and salt. I used here the sea salt. This also to taste. And lemon juice, a whole juice of one lemon, fresh squeezed lemon, and olive oil. That's the vinegar that I use for all my salad dressings. Salt, pepper, olive oil, and lemon. Very simple, but very delicious and also healthy. Now we mix all the ingredients together, and we taste if we need some salt, or that's good. This recipe is vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, and is very good for your health. Let me know in the comments how did you like this recipe. I hope you try it and leave me a comment. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Enjoy!